Welcome to BarnChimp.com, the first and only horseboarding website builder that is absolutely free. BarnChimp.com allows you to create and build your very own professional horse website. With BarnChimp, there is no software to download, no monthly fee, and no domain name needed. That's right, even if you do not own a domain name, also known as a website address, you can still have your very own horseboarding website online in under 2 minutes. BarnChimp is so simple that no technical expertise or website development knowledge is needed. Simply create your free account and you can have your own horseboarding website up and running in the short time it takes you to create your free account. A powerful and unique feature not available anywhere else allows you to post ads on your site of horses you may have for sale, lease, or stud. When you turn the network feature on, your ads will appear on every horse website around the world that uses BarnChimp. Your ad is complete with a high-resolution picture, detailed description, and your contact information. You can have a state-of-the-art website like this one using BarnChimp.com. Your new professional horseboarding website comes complete with customizable features such as a news page to display news about your facility. You can easily add photos and graphics with each news article and track the number of views that each article is receiving. A page dedicated to your horses allows you to display pictures and information about horses at your facility. You can even organize your horses on your new website in categories such as horses for sale, lease, or stud. When you click on a particular horse, you will see in a clear and organized fashion a full description and complete information about that horse, including photos that can be clicked to be enlarged for better viewing. All the text and photos are added to your site and managed and edited by you. The cutting-edge networking feature of BarnChimp gives you the ability to network and advertise on other horseboarding websites around the world which were created with BarnChimp. Your ad will appear in a rotating fashion on the top right column of every page of all other BarnChimp websites. To demonstrate, when a visitor clicks on your featured horse ad as it appears on another horse website, a page appears showing your ad with pictures, description, and detailed information. This unique networking option is the first of its kind and exclusive to websites created using BarnChimp. An events page allows you to announce and manage upcoming events, in this case, a trail ride. As with other sections of your new free website, you can easily add photos and graphics to this page that can be clicked and viewed in more detail. The boarding page enables you to advertise your boarding capabilities, complete with detailed descriptions, pricing plans, options, and photos. Now, there is no need to wait on and pay a web developer to update boarding options on your website. You can do this yourself very quickly and easily. Your new website even has a page for your photo albums, where you can showcase photos for your website visitors. You can track which photos are being viewed the most by visitors to your site. And, of course, a Contact Us page for you to enter contact information about your horse facility. Getting started is simple, quick, easy, and most importantly, absolutely free. To get started, simply go to BarnChimp.com and click on the Create Account link. The first step is to select a URL or website address for your new site. In this case, we selected Cool Creek. In this example, the website address or URL for this new site will be www.coolcreek.barnchimp.com. If you select a URL already in use by a BarnChimp member, you will be directed to select a different URL. If you already registered and own the URL coolcreek.com, you will have the option after you complete the registration to link coolcreek.com to your new free BarnChimp website, in which case your website address will be www.coolcreek.com. In the time it takes to complete this simple and easy registration, you will have your website on the World Wide Web. After you create your free account, to log into your website, go to BarnChimp.com and click the link titled Manage My Website. After entering your email address and password, you will be taken to the administration page or back end of your website. This section is password protected and only accessible and visible by you. This is where you make all additions, updates, and edits to your site. To view your site as it is seen by visitors on the World Wide Web, just click your BarnChimp website address located under the heading My Website URL. Now you can view the front end of your site as it is seen by visitors to your website. Let's get started and see how simple it is to manage your own website. Click the Admin Panel tab to go back to the administration page or back end of your website. On the left side are the links which control the content, layout, function, and features of the front end of your website. Under Themes, click Manage. This is where you can change the theme and colors of your website. The default color scheme is Facebook Blue. To change the colors of your site, click Create Theme and enter a name and click Save Template. Now click Edit. You can use the drop-down list to be taken to the exact section of your site where you want to change the color scheme. When you click inside the white box associated with each section of your website, you'll be presented with a color wheel which gives you tens of thousands of color choices for each area of your website. After you make any changes to your theme, click Save Templates. You can change between the default Facebook Blue template and any additional templates that you create by selecting the one you want to use. Now, let's add an announcement. Announcements are quick shoutouts that appear on the right column of all pages of your site. Announcements are a great way to give high visibility to anything that you want your website visitors to notice. Maybe you want to highlight an upcoming event or a new boarding option. Like all other areas of your site, you do not need to pay a web developer to add this announcement. Enter a title and text in the appropriate boxes. When you're finished, click Add Announcement. To activate this announcement and have it appear on your website, click the Display button and click Update Display Status. Now, when I go to the front end of my website and refresh the page, my new announcement now appears on the right side of every page of my site. When visitors click the More link, they can read your announcement in its entirety. Now, we'll go back to the admin panel where we can add and edit boarding plans and options. Click Add Boarding Plan to add a new plan to your site. In this case, we'll call the new plan our Gold Plan. Enter the name of your boarding plan and a description of the plan. Add the cost to this boarding plan and select the term in the drop-down box as either yearly, monthly, daily, or hourly. Go to the Gold plan that we just added and click Manage under the Options tab. Here is where you can add options to your base boarding plan. Simply check or uncheck an option to add or delete it from that particular plan. If you need to add additional options, click the tab Boarding Options. Here, you will enter the name of the option, cost, and term in the appropriate boxes. When you are done, click Create Option and you will see that this new option is now available as a choice to be added to any or all of your basic boarding plans. All options that you enter can either be available at a cost and term of your choosing, or you can mark them as being included as part of that particular boarding plan. When you go to your website and refresh the page, all the additions and edits that we just made from the admin panel are now visible on your site for visitors to see. Let's go back to the admin panel and add photos to our boarding page. Select the boarding plan that you want to add photos and click the horse icon. Click the Browse button and select an image or photo to be added to the boarding section of your website. As you can see, you can quickly and easily manage and edit your own horse website absolutely free. All other sections of your new site are managed in a similar, user-friendly way. One final feature that I want to point out that sets BarnChimp apart from other web building tools is the meta tags feature. Your website is only useful if visitors can find your site among the millions of horse websites that are online today. Meta tags are used by search engines to properly categorize your website. Here you can enter keywords separated by commas that can be used to describe your website and what services you offer. The BarnChimp meta tags feature allows you to enter keywords that will be recognized by the major internet search engines in order for your site to appear in internet searches. This is a powerful do-it-yourself BarnChimp tool to drive internet traffic to your site. Visit BarnChimp.com and get your free do-it-yourself horse website online today. Worldwide networking, search engine optimization, and website management are all under your control absolutely free.